So here's the last problem that we're going to have. X squared plus a y squared equals 5. So it's a circle centered at the origin with the radius of square root of 5. And this last one is y equals an x squared minus 7. So that means we're starting at -7. It's a parabola that opens up. So we don't know if it comes through this way and gives us 4 solutions, or if it's actually on the outside and we have no solutions, but at least we know what the picture looks like. We've used elimination for both the problems I've given you. You could have done substitution on the first one. I'm going to do substitution on this one because it's already got y solved for something. So I'm going to take that and throw it right in there. So I'm going to double distribute this out. It's not going to be just x to the 4th plus 49. Use the shortcut here. Okay. Collect all the like terms, put it in decreasing order. So you got an x to the 4th minus a 13x squared. I'm going to move the 5 over, plus 44 equals 0. So this is something to the 4th power. We've looked at these before in your other classes. We could do forget the name of it, but where you plug in, you try and find the zeros, the little quick long division thing. See the rational root theorem, I guess. It's not going to factor. I can't think of anything that'll multiply to 44 and get us to 13. Can't do quadratic formula because it's something to the 4th power. So here's what I'm going to do. Just take this, plug it right in your calculator. See if I can intersect it with a 0. Okay, so we know things to the 4th power are like parabolas. They just get more curves and more peaks and valleys. But the thing with this graph is it's never hitting the x-axis for us. So in this particular case, this would be a no solution. Now that's not the only way you can do this problem. You could do a stack and add. Go back to the beginning here. You could keep the -7. You could swing this to the other side. It would actually be negative already. And those would cancel right away. And then you would find, actually, I think the book's done it here for you. Yeah. So they did it this way. X squareds cancel. You end up with this quadratic. Again, we always set it equal to 0. I don't know what multiplies to 2 and adds to 1. So you do quadratic formula. And you find there's no real solutions. Okay, so not just one way that you can do these. Okay, so make sure you get those in your notes. Look through them, think about questions you have, and we'll practice some in class. We'll see you guys then.